Welcome to 3510 Tremaine Road, Burlington, a magnificent custom-built 3 garages bungalow on a gorgeous 1.5-acre corner lot located in northeast Burlington on the border of Oakville. It is a rarefied opportunity where you can enjoy farmhouse life while you are only 3 to 4 minutes from all amenities like shopping malls, schools, library, parks, restaurants and coffee shops. This sprawling bungalow is built with quality stone and stucco material, and it's perfect open concept to spend time with family and loved ones. This home allows for relaxation both inside with a large window and outside porch and barbecue area. It is beautifully landscaped with exposed concrete walkways and metal-fenced front and backyard. The elegant front porch offers a constant invitation to sit down and enjoy life. Enter through the front double door into the beautiful foyer that immediately opens the whole house. The cozy living room on your right with the bright windows is just a beginning. Beside the living room we find the dining room with beautiful modern chandelier. Both roomy and attractive, this room immediately inspires plans for elegant dinners and informal family parties. The kitchen is a most beautiful place in the house. It is fully customized with plenty of white cabinets with undermount lights, lights inside the glass cabinets, beautiful granite countertops and granite backsplash, built-in high-end Jenner gas cooktop and Jenner refrigerator. Huge island with premium granite and stylish pendant lights makes this kitchen really spectacular. Across from the kitchen there is a family room, both spacious and bright. Beautiful waffle ceiling with molding and sound system. Beautiful built-in shelving. Stone-cast fireplace mantel has a wall-mounted TV above the gas fireplace, which makes sure everyone is both cozy and entertained on those chilly Canadian nights. When you move into the hallway, you find a bright, decent-sized office on your left side, inviting you to work in it. Further in the hallway on your left, you see a beautiful bedroom that has a 4-piece ensuite washroom, brightened with a sky tunnel. Further on your left, you find a large master bedroom, which has a 5-piece master ensuite with freestanding tub. On your left side, there is a beautiful 3-piece washroom with frameless glass shower and a sun tunnel. Bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 are very bright and spacious. Then majestic stairs from the family room take you down to the lower level, which is absolutely stunning. It has high ceilings and walk out to the backyard. The lower level has a huge rec room with TV, theatre and sound system. It has additional kitchen bar dining area, a gorgeous 4-piece washroom and 2 huge bedrooms. 2 oversized French doors in the kitchen lead to a beautiful porch with wooden deck and cedar ceiling to relax and enjoy outdoor summer barbecue parties. In addition to the porch, there is a pergola and barbecue area to entertain guests. Last but not least, at the back end of the house there is a huge workshop that has been turned into a party room. It has wood burning as well as electric fireplace, a pool table, a wet bar and much more. Every inch of the house is loaded with upgrades and makes this home one of the most outstanding offerings in the area to date.